Join me as I challenge myself to find the freshest produce at my local farmer's market and create a delicious meal with it. Farmers markets are an incredible way to support local agriculture and get your hands on the freshest produce available. By cutting out the middleman and buying directly from the farmers, you're not only getting better tasting food, but you're also supporting your community and helping to preserve the local farming industry. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to eat healthy is accessibility. Where do you even find fresh, healthy food? Is it at the grocery store, specialty health food store, or is it at the farmer's market down the street? For a lot of people, it's hard to know where to start or what to look for when trying to make healthier choices. Another challenge is knowledge. What's in season, what's nutritious, and how do you even cook some of these unfamiliar ingredients? It can be overwhelming and it's easy to get discouraged. I think a lot of us have been there. We want to make healthier choices, but we just don't know where to start. And then there's the issue of convenience. We're all busy, and sometimes it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day to shop for, prep, and cook a healthy meal. It's hard to prioritize our health when we're juggling so many other responsibilities. But the truth is, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. In fact, some of the healthiest foods out there are also some of the simplest. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. The key is finding sources for these ingredients that are convenient, affordable, and accessible. And that's where farmers markets come in. By shopping at a farmers market, you're not only getting the freshest produce available, but you're also supporting local farmers and the local economy. And the best part is you don't have to be a health expert or a skilled chef to make healthy choices. You just need to know where to look and be willing to try new things. Farmers markets are a treasured trove of fresh, seasonal produce. From juicy heirloom tomatoes to crisp, peppery kale. Every vendor has something unique to offer. One of my favorite things about shopping at farmers markets is discovering new fruits and vegetables I've never tried before. There's nothing quite like biting into a sweet, ripe strawberry that was picked just that morning, or crunching into a fresh, crispy carrot that was pulled from the earth just hours before. And the best part is, every season brings new and exciting options to try. In the spring, there are fresh berries and asparagus. In the summer, there's corn and stone fruit. And in the fall, there are apples and squash. There's always something new to look forward to. I love talking to the farmers and vendors at the market too. They're always so passionate about what they do, and they're happy to share their knowledge with you. They can tell you all about the different varieties of produce they offer, how they're grown, and even share some recipe ideas. It's amazing how much you can learn just by asking a few questions. One of my favorite vendors at the market is a local farmer, Sarah. She specializes in growing heirloom tomatoes, and she always has the most beautiful, unique varieties. I asked her once how she gets her tomatoes to taste so good, and she told me all about the special soil she uses and the way she carefully tends to each plant. As I walked through the market, I was struck by the vibrant colors and the incredible variety of produce on display. There were rainbow-hued fruits and vegetables of every shape and size, purple carrots, orange bell peppers, yellow squash, and red tomatoes. And the smells, oh, the smells were incredible. Fresh herbs, baking bread, roasting nuts. It was like a sensory overload in the best possible way. I stopped at one vendor's stand and sampled a slice of juicy, ripe watermelon. It was like a little taste of summer in every bite. Farmers markets offer so many benefits: freshness, taste, and supporting local farmers. By shopping at a market, you're not only getting the best tasting produce available, but you're also supporting your community and helping to preserve the local farming industry. Plus, you're reducing the carbon footprint and promoting sustainable agriculture. It's a win-win-win. So I encourage you to check out your local farmers market and see what it has to offer. You might be surprised at the incredible variety of fresh, healthy food available right in your own backyard. Be sure to share your own experience with me in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite farmers market finds are and what you like to do with them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on healthy eating and cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.